Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Did you know that some apps on your Android phone can secretly change your system settings? This includes volume, brightness, Wi-Fi, or even ringtones. If a suspicious app has this permission, it can cause problems or interfere with your phone without you knowing. In this video, I will show you how to check which apps have the Modify System Settings permission. I will also show you how to remove it from apps that don't need it for safety. Let's start with the steps. First, open Settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Privacy Protection. Now tap on Special Permissions. Next, scroll down and tap on Modify System Settings. Here you will see all the apps that are allowed to change system settings on your phone. Carefully review this list. Some apps, like volume boosters or automation apps, may legitimately need this permission. But games, wallpaper apps, or random tools usually do not need to change your system settings. If you find any app that looks suspicious or unnecessary, tap on it. Now toggle off Allow Modifying System Settings. This immediately removes the permission from that app. Your phone will continue to function normally, and the app will no longer be able to change your settings in the background. Regularly checking special permissions like this helps protect your phone from unwanted changes and keeps your data safe. That is how you manage the Modify System Settings permission on Android. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Android privacy and security tutorials.